Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use GoCharting.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what is GoCharting? So this is a browser-based advanced charting and trading platform for crypto, stocks, forex, and commodities. It's popular because it doesn't need downloads, supports multiple exchanges, and has advanced tools for technical analysis. So now in order to use it, the first thing we need to do is head on over to GoCharting.com and create an account or sign into your Google account. Now, once you've created an account and signed in, from here on the home page, click on the products or hover your mouse over products, and we've got an option to go to the charts. Now, as you can see, a chart will appear, so it's going to be Bitcoin USD. We can change that if we like. Now, GoCharting is completely free to use. There might be a few pop-ups or advertising that might appear on your screen, but you can easily click out of them. Now, if you want to go ahead and choose your markets at the top of the search bar, type the asset. For example, you can use Bitcoin USD, AAPL, Euro USD if you like. Now, there is some basic chart navigation, so you can zoom in and pan. You can use your mouse to scroll, to zoom in and out, click to drag and move around the chart. We've got different time frames we can select from. So at the top, we've got 30 minutes. If I hover over, so we've got 10 seconds all the way up to monthly, and we can also do customs and everywhere in between. Now we can change the chart type, so we can choose from candles, bars, lines. Now in order to change that, we can do it by hovering over where it says charts, chart types. We can do area, we can do lines, candlestick. We've got all different types we can choose from in there. Now, if we want to go ahead and add indicators, we can. So indicators is under study. So if we hover over study, you'll see indicators, and now we can add in indicators. So the popular ones that you can use is RSI, MACD, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, etc. You can also add multiple indicators and adjust their settings. So if I want to go ahead and use an indicator from overlay, I can do a band here if I like. I can add markers. You've got Bollinger Band. I can throw in here. Now, if you do add in a indicator, if we come back out of the indicators, we can go ahead and hide that indicator by hovering over the little eye. If we want to delete it, we can go ahead and delete like so. Now on the left, on the left toolbar, you'll find tools like trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, support resistant boxes, text and shapes. Now these are useful for technical analysis and marking trade ideas. Now we can also lock all drawings if we like, link drawings on this layout. We can hide objects, and we can also delete objects inside the charts. And now we've got measuring tools here. So we've got space plus click to start, and we've got manage drawings section under that as well. We can also do paper trading in here. So to do that, you want to go ahead and click on account. So you should make sure account's set. Go to GoCharting Sim browser. This is a simulation for paper trading. Now, if you want to go ahead and make trades, you can click on that trade button, and we can make some trades using this trading panel with limit, market, stop limit. And yeah, obviously down below, this is where you can place those trades, and then your trades are going to appear here under transactions. So you're going to have my orders, my trades, my positions, and your current balance inside of GoCharting. Now on the right side of GoCharting, we've got some more options. So we can look at the layers here. We can also add alerts. If I'm just going to make this a bit bigger, we can add alert by clicking on the three dots. See all your alerts, active alerts, inactive alerts. You can download logs, clear logs, pause all in active alerts, and re-trigger all paused alerts. Keep scrolling down. We've got books here. We've also got depth market, news, option chains, and now under tools, we've got our watch list where we can add some watch lists by adding here. So you can add your symbols here. It's empty now. Also, we've got brokers. Connect to brokers if you like, so you can log into your broker for live trading. Also, we've got expired contracts, and then next to that, we've got calendar. Now, if you're a beginner with GoCharting, you want to start with candlestick charts and basic indicators like moving averages and RSI, and you want to try and slowly explore advanced features like footprint charts if you want to trade or order flow, and use multiple time frames, for example 1 day for trends, 1 hour for entries, and also practice marking support, resistance, and trend lines daily.